Hey, Joddie here with a quick review of the 70 vagus nerve exercise cards from Resplendawn. Thank you to Resplendawn for sending me these exercise cards. What follows is my honest review and opinion. So let's get into it. First of all, I love the design. I always love the design. I'm a big fan of exercise cards and this company in particular. This is probably my fourth deck from them. Again, thank you to Resplendawn. So what this comes with is a guide to using your cards, so you can flip through here and get some instructions. There's a part for notes, and there are different ways that you can use these cards. So you can just pull a card out and follow instructions from a deck. You can see that there are different colors. So this is the green set, and then there's blue and also purple and pink. And on the back of each card, you're going to find specific instructions and a time, a time range, how long it will take, and instructions on how to do the activity or exercise. If you have more time and you want to do a set, so this one is called Grateful Moment, and I've pulled all of the cards. There are 4 cards, and it'll show you how long each thing will take, and then the position that you're supposed to be in. So for example, sitting, standing, look here. So sifting practice, barefoot grounding, Uyaji breathing, and loving kindness meditation. So again, let's take a look at that. Oh, by the way, look at this wooden card holder that it comes with. So let's see if I can get this in here with one hand. I think I can. Yes, I can. There we go. So now it's all set up. So let's see. The first one is sifting practice. So let's find it here. Is this it? Yep. Sifting practice. And then it has an affirmation: I return to calm memories, drawing strength from their comfort. And then the how-to is on the back. And I like the size of the font. Personally, the larger the font and the more clear and simple the language, the more I love it. And so I'll just quickly go through the others. So there's barefoot grounding, Uyaji breathing, loving kindness meditation. So here's loving kindness meditation. And again, here are the instructions. And to follow a set exercise, you're going to look for, so here's G1. So G1 was sifting practice. Let's go back to that one. So you see it at the back of the card. So you can find by the number and the image. Okay, so again, real quick, the other ones are barefoot grounding. Here we go, affirmation, and then instructions, clear instructions, in my opinion. And then the last one is Uyaji breathing. If you've done yoga before, you might be familiar with this one. So this was just a random exercise set that I picked up. There are quite a few here to choose from. And then you can combine other cards and movement and breathing. And again, there is a guide to help you through. These are 3.5 by 5 inches. I love exercise card decks because they're very easy to travel with, and they also make great gifts for yourself and others. If you are in the market for vagus nerve exercise cards, I recommend these from Resplendawn.